Hi Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome or welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection energy reading for end of March 2021 with me, Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you are new to the channel, welcome. And if this message resonates with you, Aries, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay, Aries, so let's look at into your energy and your person energy on your soulmate and twin flame connection for the end of March 2021. Let's see what we have here, Aries. Also, Aries, please know that this is a collective general energy reading, therefore it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you, Aries, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. Okay. So let's look at into the energy reading here, Aries. On this side here is your energy. And then on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. Now looking at the sign that I've got for you here, Aries, I'm getting a very strong earth energy, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. I'm also getting a very strong water energy coming up here, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, as well as air energy, Aquarius, Libra, air energy, Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. So you could have any of these signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of these signs strongly in their chart. Now looking at your energy here, Aries, I've got Five of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, and the Emperor energy coming up here. So it's also quite interesting with this Five of Wands energy coming up here, because this is basically talking about conflict, the inner conflict within yourself here, Aries, as well as the conflict or the misunderstanding. Unnecessary argument could also be there between both of you here. And the reason why I've got that, because I've also got the Five of Wands energy coming up here as well for your person. So I feel like there is like unnecessary argument or misunderstanding might be there between both of you here, Aries. But most of the thing that I'm getting here is that there is like a little bit of conflicted energy within yourself here, because coming up from your energy here, I've got the Page of Wands coming up here, and then the Emperor energy coming up here as well. So there is going to be a significant jump, I would say, here coming up from yourself here, Aries. And what kind of significant jump is that here with this Page of Wands energy to the Emperor energy coming up here? So I feel like all of this time here, Aries, you're definitely growing. You're definitely like understanding what is this connection about, and what is the soul purpose, I would say here, and what is this soul journey, like what is this spiritual journey and this awakening journey mean for you here. So you were at this point of time here coming up from the Page of Wands energy, and then towards the end of the March 2021, moving into the month of April here, Aries, I'm going to see like a lot of significant jump coming up from yourself here, where you're going to be the divine masculine or the divine feminine energy that you're supposed to be here. Again, the gender does not matter, male or female, but the Emperor here is the highest vibrational energy, I would say here, Aries. So you're definitely going to embrace all of this awakening, I would say here, and all of this maturity, all of this, like at this point of time you're definitely on the learning energy at this time here, Aries. So moving forward up until the end of the March to the end of the March, and after the end of the March here, so towards April and onwards here, you're going to see a lot of maturity, a lot of changes coming up from within yourself here, Aries. And this is also another reason why I've got the Ace of Wands energy coming up here. So you are your third eye chakra as well as your crown chakra is definitely opening up. In general here, you actually opening up and you're becoming more aware about the spiritual energy, I would say, here surrounding you here, Aries. Now another most important thing that I've got for you here, Aries, is that with this Three of Swords energy coming up here, there is still a little bit of heartbroken energy, or there is still like a little bit of sadness energy still within yourself here. But what you need to do here is that, Aries, like you need to understand that all of this emotion, all of this heartbreak, all of this feeling that you've been feeling within yourself here, Aries, this is something that leading you towards the awakening within yourself here. It's leading you towards what are the things that you need to heal within yourself here. So try to not suppress all of this emotion within yourself, but what you need to do here is that let your emotion guide you towards the things that you need to heal, towards the things that you need to change within yourself here. And another thing that I've got for you here, Aries, is that I've got the Knight of Pentacles energy. So with this Knight of Pentacles energy here, this is basically talking about a slow moving or a gradual process energy coming up here. So what you need to understand here, Aries, is that you are at this point of time here growing within yourself here, mentally, emotionally, as well as spiritually. And this growth within yourself is not going to happen overnight. There are a lot of things within yourself here that you need to heal, that you need to completely let go of here. And all of this energy is just not going to change overnight here. So whenever you have this conflicted energy, whenever you have this, like doubt and fear within yourself here, you have to make sure that you can handle it, and you can heal all of those emotion, all of those negative energy that coming towards your mind here, Aries. Now looking at your person energy here, I've got the Five of Wands, I've got the Three of Cups energy here, and then I've got the King of Cups energy coming up here. So one thing that I've got for your person here, Aries, I'm getting a very strong third party energy or third party situation coming up here. Now this third party situation could be another person that they're currently with, or could also be like a simple toxic situation, toxic friend, toxic family members could also be like one of those things. And with this Five of Wands energy coming up for your person here, and then the Three of Cups energy coming up here, I do feel like there are a lot of fight, misunderstanding and miscommunication that they're actually feeling and that they're actually facing with the third party situation, I would say here, Aries. So surrounding the karmic situation or surrounding the third party situation that they're currently in at this point of time, is definitely not all happy, not all like rainbow and all happiness here. And another thing that I've got here is that they're also feeling conflicted within themselves, I would say here, Aries. The reason for that here, I've got the King of Cups energy. The King of Cups energy here is talking about emotion. So even though your person might have everything that they wanted here, I do feel like some of you here, Aries, your person might have left you to be with someone else. This is why I've got the third party situation coming up here. So that your person left you for someone else, or right after the separation, your person just quickly moved on into someone else here, while you're still dealing with all of this pain and all of this like heartbroken energy here. The thing here is that Aries, your person, they're definitely running, because both of you are currently in the running and chasing dynamic. But the thing here is that both of you with the running and chasing dynamic here, both of you are, if not you are chasing them, they are chasing you here. So like this kind of like circle is just keep on going and going and going. And for this cycle to come to the end here, Aries, is that you need to stop chasing them, and you need to also stop running away here, and just focus on healing yourself, focus on healing all of this emotional pain, emotional trauma within yourself here. With you doing that here, your person will automatically stop running as well, because at this point of time here, they are running from their emotion here, Aries. Because with this King of Cups energy coming up here, they may feel like they're actually having everything that they need, as you can see here with this picture. Like they're just like to the outside world, they may have like everything that they need at this point of time here. Like if you could actually stalk them, or if you could actually looking at the social media pages, you may see them feeling happy, like feeling like all happy and all smiling, but deep down they're feeling conflicted within their emotion. The reason why they're feeling conflicted within the emotion here, because they have been running from their own emotion. And then the overall energy that I've got for your person here, I've got the Ace of Swords. So this is also talking about the communication that will be picking up between both of you here. Looking at the energy between both of you here, I've got the playing it safe, and then I've got the great achievement. So something positive is definitely going to happen. Something like the great achievement, which is the union between both of you here, is definitely going to happen. But the first step here will be the communication. And then I've also got the playing it safe energy. So at this point of time here, your person is definitely currently putting themselves inside this box, and having like this very strong hesitation energy to just step outside of the box here. Again, they know that if they step outside of the box, they have to face all of this emotion that they've been running away from here. So that's it for your reading, Aries. I hope it resonates. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.